The 8th-ranked product is DREAMEZ1 Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Li-Fi Remote Control. 8000 GPH Suction. Waterline Horizontal Cleaning. Auto Retrieval. Automatic Pool Vacuum for above and in-ground pools. Upgraded version. Review score 4.1. Review count 87 ratings. Price $849.99. Customers like. Customers appreciate the pool cleaner's 3 different cleaning modes, solid build quality, and long-lasting battery life. The device features strong suction power and is easy to use, with one customer noting it takes the hassle out of pool maintenance. They find it worth the purchase. The remote control functionality receives mixed reviews. Customers dislike. No info. The 7th-ranked product is AIPER Scuba X1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. 6600 GPH High Power Suction. Horizontal Waterline Scrubbing. Upgraded Cross-Pattern Smart Navigation. Ideal for in-ground pools up to 2,150 square feet. Review score 4.1. Review count 152 ratings. Price $899.99. Customers like. Customers find the pool cleaner powerful and efficient, with one mentioning it works well on 44 feet pools, and they appreciate its convenient plug-less charging system and easy-to-use app interface. The product receives positive feedback for its design, durability, and value for money, with one customer highlighting its ultra-fine filter for small particle dirt removal. While some customers report solid battery life lasting over 2.5 hours, others find it deficient in this aspect. Customers dislike. No info. The 6th-ranked product is BeatBot AquaSense Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum for in-ground pool. Cleans floor, walls, and waterline. Intelligent path optimization. Suitable for above and in-ground pools up to 2,260 square feet. Light gray. Review score 4.2. Review count 162 ratings. Price $999.00. Customers like. Customers find the pool vacuum does a great job cleaning and is very easy to use and set up. The functionality is positive, with one customer noting it works well even when pumps are running. The battery life lasts about 2 hours on average, and customers have mixed opinions about the value for money, with some saying it's worth every penny while others consider it a waste of money. Customers report mixed experiences with durability and sturdiness, with some finding it solid while others say it breaks, and they note it moves slowly and is heavier than comparable models. Customers dislike. No info. The 5th-ranked product is Pool Vacuum for in-ground pools. Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Wall and waterline cleaning. Intelligent route planning. 150 minutes runtime. For pools up to 1,600 SQFT. Review score 4.2. Review count 202 ratings. Price $529.99. Customers like. Customers find the pool vacuum effective at cleaning, with one mentioning it handles dirt and small debris well, and they appreciate its cordless design and ease of use. The product receives positive feedback for its sturdiness and value for money. Functionality and durability show mixed results. While some say it works well, others report it completely stops working. And while some find it durable, one customer mentions it broke within a year. Battery life is also mixed, with some customers reporting decreased performance over time. Customers dislike. No info. The 4th-ranked product is X5 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Smart Navigation. 180 minutes runtime. Floor and wall and waterline cleaning. 4 cleaning modes. Smart Return. Pool vacuum for in-ground pools up to 3,229 square feet. Review score 4.3. Review count 65 ratings. Price $549.99. Customers like, no info. Customers dislike, no info. The 3 ranked product is AIPER Scuba S1 Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Horizontal waterline cleaning. Smart navigation. 180 min battery life. Ideal for in-ground pools up to 2,150 SQFT. Review score 4.4. Review count 92 ratings. Price $799.99. Customers like, no info. Customers dislike, no info. The 2 ranked product is 2025 new WYBOTC2 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Pool vacuum for in-ground pools up to 2,512 SQFT. Wall climbing and waterline cleaning WTIH dual filter. Triple motors. Lasts 180 minutes runtime. Review score 4.6. Review count 132 ratings. Price $522.99. Customers like, no info. Customers dislike, no info. The 1 ranked product is C20H Robotic Pool Cleaner. Corded and cordless, hybrid pool vacuum robot. Superior suction. Smart navigation. App control. Floor, wall, waterline. For above and in-ground pools up to 1,615 SQFT. Review score 4.8. Review count 88 ratings. Price $999.99. Customers like, customers find the pool cleaner effectively removes scum and debris, scrubbing floors and picking up everything from leaves to fine debris. They appreciate its ease of use. With the super easy to use app and clear instructions. And its powerful Bluehole suction technology that doesn't get stuck. The battery life lasts long enough for a full clean. And customers like its cordless design that can be used with or without a cable. They consider it a budget-friendly pool robot that's worth the money. Customers dislike, no info.